Blackheads are small bumps filled with debris, bacteria and oil and turn black when oxidized by air. You can use hydrogen peroxide to treat your blackhead. Hydrogen peroxide is antiseptic and has the ability to dissolve blackheads. Hydrogen peroxide helps to eliminate bacteria and also exfoliates the skin. In this video, we will share with you how you can use hydrogen peroxide to treat blackheads. For this purpose, you will need mild cleanser, 3% hydrogen peroxide, cotton ball, homemade face scrub, jojoba or avocado oil. Take any mild cleanser and cleanse your face thoroughly to remove excess oil and dirt. Then wash your face with water. Now make any mild homemade scrub to exfoliate your skin. You can use honey and sugar scrub for this purpose. Now combine an equal amount of 3% hydrogen peroxide and water. Dip the cotton ball in the mixture and apply on the affected area or all over your face, avoiding your eyebrows. Leave it for 1 to 2 hours. Then rinse your face with water. Now moisturize your skin with jojoba oil or avocado oil and massage it on your face. It will help to moisturize and soothe your skin. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.